Hey guys, before I even start this video, just a headphone warning. Do not wear headphones while watching this video because I'll be doing this most of the time. So what we'll be doing today is actually going through all my old accounts. Yeah, the cringe is gonna be real. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts that I have on here. So yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this. So I have my page. By the way, I have a knife right there. I don't know why. So we'll start with the US ones first. Okay, first one is Alishka. Oh, okay, whatever. Password is you thought. So we won't look at this account yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to the other one. And this one is called Cute Selfies. Follow all my accounts. Yeah. Because I have no friends, you know. And the password is your mom 123. Oh wait, I spelled it wrong. Your mom 123. There you go. Okay, we'll go ahead and go on the other one. And these are just all US. Oof, oof, oof. One more to go! Oh, I'm hurting myself so bad. Okay, so we have one account left. Oh, the ASMR is amazing, guys. I'm living for this ASMR. Ow, that hurt my own ear. Ow. Okay, so Rainbow Lexi 28. Again, your mom 123. Okay, so we're just gonna go on my screen recorder screen. See, that one's loading. Okay, so I am friends with some of them on here, but yeah. So let's go ahead and pick one of these three. I'll pick this one in the middle. Oh, it's my Cute Selfies account. My mom just likes to play on this one. I mean, I wouldn't consider it her account, but like, she plays on it, and I have too many, so. Yeah. Guys, get my account. Let's see if she got any gifts. I verily doubt that. I said, do you like it, Mom? That's so sad. I'm the only person who gave her gifts. Okay, so, guys, go send this account some love. You know, she broke, but she rich at the same time. She ain't rich. I'm just joking, y'all. She got 679 star points. Like, she broke. She used to have 1,000, but like she bought this outfit that is ratchet. I'm sorry, Mom. Forgive me for roasting you. Okay, so it's way too close. The mic is way too close. Okay, so now let's pick this one. Okay, this. Oh my gosh, it's so VIP. I'm so shook. Go ahead and open this piggy bank because I have 2 days left of VIP on this account. Okay, so this is like another account I have. my friend gave it to me. She was like, yeah, I'm done with MSP. I don't want to play this game anymore. It's a waste of my time. Plus, she needs to study for her classes, she said, or something. I don't know. Wait, let me look at all those things that I gifted her. This one. Do we have any gifts? No, of course we don't, you know. Yeah. So, this account isn't even that good, though, to be H. Oh, am I going? Am I going? No, I'm sure. And yes, her account did get hacked, but she got it back. Thankfully, the hacker did not change her password. So here's the close on this account. To be honest, it's a level 8, so like it just has not that good of stuff. So let's check the last one I have. This one's really newbie. What the frick? We have some text messages. Let's look at that. Oh shoot, I have another account! I forgot! Oh yeah, I have another account and it's a green hunter hacker account. So let's go ahead and get on that baby. Ooh, the T. Oh my god. Free Shavakadu! You guys can friend all me on here. And your mom. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here's the last account. I thought somebody hacked me because I got like logged out, so I said, I'm sorry, please leave me alone. Even though this account is trash, I still like it. You know, I can find that on my music. Iridocyclitis. So, most of these hackers I texted were fake. You know, like fake. Fake. Oh, her account is deleted? I hate this girl, you guys. Go like, she is for real a scammer. But yeah, that's basically all these accounts. I'll show you the clothes on here. I usually never come on these accounts anymore. So like, maybe I'll give them away. But I don't know. If there's good stuff on the accounts, yes, I will take that. But most likely, you know, I'll keep the trash on it. because it's trash and I look like trash. Because I am trash. Ow, it's freaking pulling my hair. Okay, so. Oh, outfit, yes. This hair is the most ugliest thing ever. I don't remember it having this much stuff. She's so freaking white, though. I hate that color because you see this account, I love that color. And I love this color. It's like the same color, I think. Yeah. And like this color is okay. And this color is ew. And this color is okay. You know, let's go try and find some, you know. I haven't made a hunting video in like forever. Oh my gosh, this video was so long. I'm gonna have to speed this up. I'm so sorry about that, guys. This is so great. I'm gonna say bleep. Bleep. Okay. So let's go to Horror Cafe. If it's full, then we know that there's some tea there. 10 people, and it can fit like 15, 14, 15, 15. So there's got to be some tea. There has to be some tea. Where's the tea? Got me going psycho. She got me going down. BTW, say hi to YouTube. There's not really any tea. I do not hack. My outfits are inspired from hackers. Hi, sisters. Hey, sisters! Well, you know, I didn't mean for this to happen. She's so fake. I'm pretty sure. Okay, well, I gotta end this video, so bye, guys.